Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send fireworks in iMessage. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send fireworks in iMessage. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open iMessage and start a new message. Select any contacts you want to send the message to. And once you have opened that contact, simply type your chat. I'll just type hello as an example. Now next, instead of tapping the green send button, press and hold it, and this will bring up the send with effect screen. Now tap on screen at the top and you will see a preview of various screen effects. Swipe left to browse through the options, and there is the spotlight, balloons, confetti, send with love, lasers, and finally fireworks. Once you have reached the fireworks effect, tap on green send button to send your message with a fireworks effect. Now if you go back to your home screen and reopen the message, you will see the fireworks animation again. And that's it. That's how you send fireworks in iMessage. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.